Hey everybody, it's Taylor here, and this video is obviously going to be, I say obviously based on the title, which I haven't even come up with yet, but it's probably going to be related to packing. Hero, please go away. Go lay down. I just wrote out each day. Next to the day I put what we're doing that day, and then I have day and night for to write down each outfit that I have planned for that day or that night. The day of, I am going to, the day that we leave, I'm gonna wear this skirt, this really cute floral. It's a little, not really stretchy, the fabric itself, it's a little stretchy. And I'm going to wear that with a regular black tank top. Not the one that I'm wearing now, actually. No wonder I couldn't find it. And a cardigan. For the day that we're going to the theme park, I'm going to be wearing just a plain black stretchy skirt and then have this black tank top and my little Harley Quinn jersey. So for another day, I have the same black skirt, and we do have a washer and dryer in our cabin, so I'll be repeating these things. And if you hear any weird chomping noises, my dog is chewing on his bone. And this reddish under top with this Stars and Stripes shirt. We are going out to eat one night, so I want to look semi-nice but not super duper dressy. So I have this new jeans skirt. I have this adorable red top. For the hiking part, I have this tennis skirt, and it has shorts underneath it somewhere. I'm gonna wear this with long leggings and, yes, Panthers cap. I will be wearing my Panthers cap with my Panthers shirt. I've got my Dodgers t-shirt. I still have the tags on it. I haven't even worn this yet. I have this awesome thing. It's from Snoga. This skirt, it goes below the knee. And I also have my Dilly Dilly shirt. And of course, I've got to show you guys the bag. Ta-da! I've got my Converse. For most of my casual stuff, well, it just depends. I do have my sandals, and those are definitely, I have had these for years, are these jelly shoes. These babies are amazing. That is all that I have. Stay tuned if you are already subscribed, or if you do like these videos, stay tuned for our vlogs.
Alright, hey guys, it's Michaela. I'm doing my how I pack routine tutorial, however you want to word it. So I don't really make any lists when I pack. I just kind of mentally go through everything I need. Kaiser! Sorry, my dog is trying to get into everything over there. I really only have like 3 or 4 outfits. I'm going to kind of like mix and match because we do have a washer machine and a dryer there. So this is all I'm taking. It's just a duffel bag, mostly because I don't really have a lot that I'm going to bring with me. I've already gotten pretty much everything organized and together. This is probably the most I have. Because like clothes-wise, there's not really that much, but I bring a lot of toiletries with me. I have like, you know, brush, facial stuff, deodorant, shaving, you know, like everything you take with you. The way I usually pack is I'll put my shoes in first. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you how I do it. So I'm taking these, they're kind of like casually canvas-y shoes, and I like tennis shoes because if I'm going hiking on one of our days, and obviously I want to have some tennis shoes. I'll typically put like the bottoms in first, so these are my 2 like workout skirts, and then I have 2 swimsuits plus a cover-up, pajamas, and t-shirts. And I actually have like 2 pairs or 2 options for pajamas just in case, because, you know, some days are going to be hot and some days it just depends. Obviously I have all of my you know, socks, underwear, that type of thing. And then I brought shampoo and conditioner since we all will be swimming. I wanted to bring some shampoo and conditioner with us, but I didn't want to take mine because mine are kind of big. On the side, some of my makeup, or not makeup, but some of my facial stuff that I'll take with me, and then I'll just put my torture bag kind of sideways on top. Hope it zips. We are good. Like once I get everything zipped, I'm like, yeah, I made it. I'm actually gonna bring this skirt. It's kind of a knit jean, and just wear it like a t-shirt or something with it whenever we do go out to eat. That's all I really do. I'll put in like chargers for my phone, and I'll probably take my Kindle for the drive. Extra contacts because, you know, with swimming you could lose them, and I don't want to be stuck with no contacts because I can't see very well without my contacts, deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste. I'll probably bring some lotion. I know we have sunscreen already. That's it. Unless I've missed something, which is a good possibility. I'll probably bring some flip-flops. Just to like wear down to the pool and stuff so that I don't wear my tennis shoes or go barefoot. I think I'm good. I think I got everything. So hopefully that's it. I know Taylor's gonna have like a huge like process, but mine's just super simple because I feel like I've done a lot of trips and I feel like I have this down pretty well. That is my how I pack versus however Taylor's doing it, because I know she's gonna be completely different, which is really funny, but you're editing this, so I love you. If you relate to my process, when this video comes up, thank you guys so much. Bye.